Assalamu alaikum, dear clients of Form Digital Pharma Company. In this video, we'll show you how to make incoming in F-Pharmacy program in the right way. You need to open Incoming section and click New Incoming button. Further, in New window, you need to enter the date on the supplier's invoice in the supplier date cell, invoice number in supplier invoice number cell, a postponed payment in postponed cell, and prepayment percentage in percentage payment cell. Then you need to select a supplier who supplied the goods from reference book. In the event if this supplier is absent in the base of your program, then you can add him pressing plus button. In a new open window, you need to fill the details of the supplier. Then you also need to set check mark supplier cell and further to click Save button. In document line, you need to select the type of document depending on the purchase terms. Inventory receipt credit is a type of document when you buy goods on the installment plan. Inventory receipt cash is a type of document when you buy goods not on an installment plan. Inventory receipt consignment is a type of document when you buy goods on commission. Selection of the document type affects display of the data in the Reconciliation Act. In receiver line, we leave the default value, for example, name of your pharmacy. In notice line, you can enter comments on the given incoming waybill. Then for entering the goods on the invoice, you need to click Selection button and select the needed goods. At the same time, if you have barcode scanner connected and configured, you can scan the barcode of the product and start entering data on these goods. If you do not find the goods by scanning it or typing it manually, then this means that this good is absent in your reference book. In this case, you need to open a new card of the goods. When you click on Enter button on the selected goods, a new window appears in which you need to fill the following data. In markup type line, you need to select the required type of markup depending on the type of goods. If you are receiving goods from parapharmaceutical group, then you need to select parapharm type and set prices with VAT. In quantity cell, you need to enter quantity of goods received by the waybill. At the same time, if there is a piece quantity, then you need to press plus button on the keyboard and enter the piece quantity of the goods. After entering each value and transition to the next cell, you need to press Enter button on the keyboard. In FOC cell, you need to enter the quantity of the bonus goods that you received as a goods discount. Here also, if there is a piece quantity, then you need to press plus button on the keyboard and enter the piece quantity of the goods. In the cost price cell, the price of the goods incoming without VAT is entered. In discount percent cell, the discount value from the supplier on the received goods is entered. In discount price cell, the price of income on the incoming goods is calculated automatically taking into account the discount. In VAT rate cell, VAT rate is entered automatically. In VAT amount cell, VAT value of one package of goods is calculated automatically. In total VAT cell, VAT amount from the total quantity of incoming goods is calculated automatically. The price with VAT cell, the incoming price of goods with VAT is calculated automatically. Then you need to press Enter button and enter values in wholesale price. In profit percent cell, the percentage of markup of the wholesale need to be entered. In price cell, the wholesale of selling based on fixed rate of the markup is calculated automatically. In margin cell, the marginality from the fixed wholesale price of selling is calculated automatically. In VAT rate cell, the goods is received with VAT is calculated automatically. In VAT amount cell, VAT amount from one package of goods if the goods is received with VAT is calculated automatically. In total VAT cell, VAT amount from the total amount of the total quantity of received goods is calculated automatically. In price with VAT cell, the wholesale price of the goods selling with VAT taking into account fixed markup is calculated automatically. In unit piece with VAT cell, wholesale price of the goods with VAT for one piece of the package taking into account fixed markup is calculated automatically. Then you need to press Enter button and enter values in retail price. Here, calculations in cells is similar to calculations in cells in the part of the wholesale price. In no discount cell, the check mark is set in the event if you do not like to apply discount on these goods for your customers. In the next batch number cell, the batches of goods is entered. In expiry date cell, expired date of goods is entered respectively. Here the data can be entered in two ways. In the first cell, short values without space in the month and year format can be entered. For example, 02/25 means that the expiry date of the goods is February 2025. And in the next cell, the expiry date should be written in full, for example, 1st February 2025. After entering all data, you need to click Save button or press Enter button on the keyboard. In this way, incoming of every goods by the waybill is entered. In selection section, there are functions available with clicking of the right mouse button. Select or Enter function is used for selection of goods. New or Insert function is used for opening of the new cart of goods. Refresh or F5 function is used for the data updating. Barcode or F7 function is used for searching of goods by its barcode. Filter or F3 function is used for searching of goods by its name. Edit or Ctrl plus Enter function is used for editing the goods cart. Mark the stock function is used for marking the remaining goods by plus symbol. It means that the goods are available in the remains. And minus symbol, it means that the goods were in remains. After entering all goods by the waybill, you need to click Exit button or on the X symbol. You also need to check the data in the waybill with the data in the program. Then you need to click Save button for saving the data and Activation for activation of the waybill. After activation of waybill, the credit goods fall to the stocks. After activation of waybill, the registered goods fall to the stocks. In the incoming waybill, there are also several buttons to work with the income. Print to print the incoming documents out. Two types of documents are printed out after its pressing. First, waybill to print out the incoming waybill. Second, price tag to print out price lists and barcodes of the goods. Take off button is effective after activation of the waybill and is needed for transfer of the received goods to the branch. New button is used for creation of new incoming waybill. Exit button is used for exit from the current window. There are also two cells to display VAT amount by the waybill. In total cell, the total incoming amount by invoice without VAT is entered. In difference cell, the total VAT invoice amount after entering data to total cell is calculated automatically. Now you know how to make incoming of goods in the right way. Switch to F-Pharmacy as soon as possible and start to work more efficiently. That is all that I wanted you to be informed about for today. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay always updated. See you later!